What is the Islamic position on the tamathil, the statues and ornaments of the pyramids? They were not destroyed during early Islamic conquest of Amr ibn al-As. Are they to be preserved?
We have no problem of pyramids. Pyramids has got no shape. Okay. The question maybe he wanted to ask about the Abul Hul, which is the shape of the lion, which is next to the pyramids. So the pyramids, no problem with pyramids, mountains. They're not really worshipped beside Allah Azza wa Jalla. They left like tombs and everything. Now he said that why the companions at the time when they entered Egypt, they did not destroy that. I don't think that these companions that had dynamite, okay, like we have these days to go and destroy something like this. It's not really easy. So basically for these things which have got images to stay there at the time of the companions whom they invaded Egypt and have made it under the leadership of Islam, that does not make it as a proof that these are okay and to preserve, like he says, to preserve those statues. You know, this has been brought up at the time when Taliban wanted to destroy and demolish the big Buddha. You remember the Buddha was curved into the mountain, and they had the dynamite. Sahaba did not have the dynamite. And they demolished it. It's their state, it's their country, they want it. But the thing is, what really amazes me, that some of those so-called scholars, Allah al-Musta'an, they flew all the way, okay, to go and stop them from doing that. They didn't fly to go and stop these people killing other people from the Muslims, but they wanted to go and save what? A statue thing. But they did not listen. Now, I was wondering why, if you want to demolish something like this, why do you have to put it in the news? I mean, nobody knows there. You could just do it, you know, nobody knows about everything. But why you want to make a fuss about it? And then we had the United Nations involved, and this is piece of the heritage, and Allah al-Musta'an. So why would you just make it, you know, like it's your country, you could do whatever you like. So we're afraid that later on we have statues in our country, we can't really touch them. They are like what? Listed statues, right? Listed building, listed statues now. It's going to be, we're going to be careful, Ikhwan. So if you want to do something, we're going to do it like, make a fuss about it and put us in the news and all of this. Now.